U.S. Army building Iron Dome alternative to avoid using $40,000 missiles to shoot down $800 rockets. The U.S. Army has deployed its inaugural laser weapon unit at Fort Sill, Oklahoma, marking a groundbreaking shift in warfare. Equipped with 4 Stryker infantry combat vehicles, each features a 50-kilowatt class laser weapon system termed M-SHORAD. These vehicles, known as Directed Energy Maneuver Short-Range Air Defense, M-SHORAD, merge the laser's directed energy with the mobility of a vehicle to provide short-range air defense. The new Stryker version is fortified against IEDs and explosions. It harnesses an onboard generator for laser power and has equipment for airborne threat detection and targeting. M-SHORAD's laser targets by directing an ultra-hot laser beam, which can damage drone wings or burn its onboard circuitry, rendering it ineffective. The system is designed to accompany friendly units such as Abrams tanks or Bradley fighting vehicles, providing defense against aerial threats like drones or even enemy artillery. Historically, shooting down artillery projectiles was impractical due to the high cost of guided missiles compared to low-cost unguided artillery. However, M-SHORAD's laser system offers a more defender-friendly cost ratio, essentially relying on diesel fuel for power. The first M-SHORAD vehicles have been designated to Delta Company, 4th Battalion, 60th Field Artillery Regiment. Drone defense is crucial after recent drone attacks on tanks in Ukraine and Israel. A notable instance was a $500 drone disabling a $4 million Merkava IV tank. The increasing prevalence and affordability of battlefield drones necessitate efficient countermeasures. M-SHORAD is a promising solution to this challenge. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI, drones, and military, don't forget to subscribe.